shots. We hiked out here into the wilderness to camp, and we're setting up, and it's thundering, and we hiked all the way up here. I promise. Okay. Hey vlog! Long time no see. I know, when was the last time we vlogged? See you buy chocolate. So every time. So yeah. I saw a TikTok the other day and I was like, I've never purchased a Labubu. I've never like done all these things. I've never eaten Dubai chocolate. And I was like, I can't like, I'm easily influenced because I've had the Dubai chocolate. Yeah, well, I like it, so worth it. It was pretty good. Okay, keep working. Let's go, guys. Oh no, I need help. Okay. Okay, chat, here is the camp tent. I think we should get in there and set up tent, or set up our camp. Okay. Come with. Yeah, go unzip it then. Okay, take your shoes off. Okay, chat, we're turning into the Flash. Okay, alright, so we decided not to set up tent just yet. We opened up the windows because it's a little bit hot. And so we're gonna eat a little snack first. First time trying Mama Mia's pizza. Yep. So good. Okay. Okay, guys.
I like how stiff it is. I like it crunchy.
Ooh.
Ooh, I
Hold on, you first. This is aesthetic. Say cheese.
Oh, I was not ready.
Oh. Thank you. Thanks.
It's sweet.
Not bad. Yeah, not the best pizza in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But in this setting, it is.
Guys, we did it.
We did it.
We backpacked all the way up.
But what?
Okay.
I was starving.
Uh-oh, I'm getting a call from my brother. Sorry, hang up.
Oh!
Bruh, I have better things to do.
I'm really vibing with this pizza, actually.
Okay, we're back. Okay, close up on the pizza.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, that's kind of close to the pizza, so,
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that.
Oh, okay, what a pretty pillow we just called
my toes on.
my brother, and he informed us that we may get struck by lightning, but there are lots of trees around us. And hey, clickbait. Thunderstorm, we go camping in a thunderstorm.
Our supplies.
Okay, guys, so
Operation Start a Fire starting now.
I don't know about a fire.
Really? it's gonna just keep raining.
Yeah, it's gonna
I think we
rain.
should make one really quick.
But everything's wet. It's not gonna be like a quick. And
I think we should like play games and talk and then go to bed and then we can wake up in the morning and have a
We don't
fire
want
then.
us more on this trip and then like cry.
Yeah, because like we're chilling in the morning. Okay, camping in a tent, playing games.
Okay, the games I brought are Moose Match Mayhem. I've never played this one. I brought Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. I love this one. And I brought Uno.
I'm okay with any of them. I want to play Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza.
Me as well. You know how to play that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So we don't have to teach.
remind me what the animals are.
Monkey Cat Goat Cheese Pizza.
No, like
Gorilla.
Taco Cat.
Isn't it chipmunk?
No, it's groundhog, gorilla, and narwhal.
Narwhal. Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. You go first.
Okay. Taco.
Cat. Goat. Rat.
That's not a word.
Taco.
Cat. Ooh, that's a
Goat.
flinch. That's a
Really?
flinch. Yeah.
Oh.
She flinched. But I lucky did too.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Taco.
Cat.
Groundhog. I forget how
Ouch,
it
somebody just crushed my hand.
was. Sorry, that was me.
Can we call it a whistle pig?
Oh, what's the thing? Taco. Cat.
Oh, dang it. Did someone see the lightning? Wasn't that crazy?
I didn't wear.
Oh. I tell you.
You go first.
Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Cheese.
Narwhal.
Oh my gosh, 2 special cards.
Crab. Oh, Mike. Look at what happens. Taco. Cat.
Goat.
Cheese. Aww.
See, if Miss Marks would have handed out these games, I would be coming to school every day, boy.
Me too. Like, these games are fun.
Hey, don't diss on Exploding Kittens. That game was fun.
Yeah,
I've never
it's kinda
played it.
fun.
Actually, I did play it. Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Taco.
Cat. Oh.
Just go.
Okay.
Just go.
Taco.
Cat.
Go.
Cheese.
It's
Okay,
fine.
guys, it's about to
It's
hit our
fine.
tent. Let's get our live reactions to the rain hitting our tent.
You guys.
Isn't that cool? Oh,
Oh,
that's
it's
a
a
car.
Hear it.
I thought that was rain like coming. Okay, they didn't stop. We're good. And how are they supposed to know we're only 3 teenage girls?
Yeah, you're right. We've got this huge
Yeah,
hot tent. There's like
yeah.
And
there's
it's
5 men in here.
9:15, so like, yeah, no one creepy sound.
And low
Okay.
key, I'm on creatine. So.
Hey, okay. Who lost? You?
Taco.
Cat.
Okay. Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Hey, this is at a disadvantage. You guys are so much
Screw it up.
closer.
I'm
Oh my gosh, my butt cheeks are sticking to the bottom. Taco.
Okay, this is gorilla. This is beaver.
Gorilla.
No, this is groundhog.
You know?
Groundhog. Okay, yeah.
Bang, bang, gorilla. Cat.
Goat.
Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Bro, please don't scream. Okay, you go.
So, did anyone bring a gun?
What?
Actually,
Taco. Cat.
Goat.
Guys, it was a taco.
I know, I hit it.
I didn't hit it.
I know.
Taco.
Cat.
That's what I need to be doing to the car. Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Oh, I forgot what to do. I'm talking about it.
Oh my
Okay.
Me with Narwhal.
Wait, ready?
Cat.
What the heck? Okay, okay.
Bro, my eyes, like, I get so stressed out when those cards happen because I don't remember, like, which one I'm supposed to do.
I know,
So I, like,
and I
hit
was
them
beat
all.
my chest so
Okay.
hard.
Doggo, cat.
That is a
Oh, you're
goat.
right. Oh, please.
I was confused. Okay.
Bro, freeze. Taco,
Cat.
goat.
Oh! Wait, that pose reminds me of someone.
Who? Taco?
Okay, so actually, I don't. That was really embarrassing. Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Oh my gosh, I need to like
My
wear a
collarbone.
mask because I like feel my face making a disgusting face. Taco.
Cat. Goat.
Jeez. Hey, my finger's in there. I'm talking about.
Okay, fine. Bro, I'm gonna lose anyway. You guys don't even like me.
Just vote.
Bro, goat. Taco.
Yeah! Yeah.
Goat.
I wasn't ready, TV. Wait, let's.
Can we hold on. Can we
Switch
switch
language. Now we're gonna go reverse. Pizza, cheese, goat, cat, tacos.
Okay.
Pizza,
Cheese. Goat.
cat.
I don't think we can play this game anymore. Can we just play Uno?
I feel like it's.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's play Uno.
No, we have to finish.
That's a guy. It's a guy. Okay, I'll take it. Wait, we should sound like a lively bunch. I'm like, start shaking the tip.
What is going on?
Hey, give me the gun.
Don't say that out in the open. That's crazy. Why would you say that out in the open, bro? Bro,
Okay.
they're driving
Coast is
away,
clear.
bro.
Taco.
Okay. Taco.
Cat.
Goat. Ah, dang it. Taco.
Cat.
You're so pretty. Pretty.
Taco. Taco.
Cat.
Go. She won. Okay.
Alright, whatever.
Okay,
Let's
whatever.
play Uno. Alright. Adelaide is to the left of me, so she goes first. These are my cards.
I can't play off her.
POV, you're playing Uno at the function.
It's my
Uno.
turn.
Wait, how does the...
No, Adelaide, you just went.
No, I flipped it because you can't play off of a reverse to
Bro,
start.
whatever. Okay. Bro, I think it's just because
Oh, wait.
Okay, so she has a yellow one.
I'm
She
sorry.
has a red and green.
Hey!
Oh no.
Bro,
Okay.
what color? What color? We better do something.
Blue.
1, 2,
I'm afraid I don't have
3,
anything.
4. Can we loan a friend? Is this Uno loan a friend?
Don't you worry. I have a good feeling.
Okay, but we saw it, so that means it didn't strike us.
Yeah.
Okay, chat, we have to let each other know for us for sticking up, okay?
I think
The color I am choosing is red.
yellow.
I don't like that one. Uh-oh.
Guys, I'm kind of scared.
I really don't think we're gonna get struck by lightning.
It's so rewarding waking up with this morning when you just walked. How many miles we walked to get here? 12 miles. We walked 12 miles. Uphill, all uphill. Somehow the way back is all uphill too, and it's just, I wish I could stay here forever. But we have to, last night we got here a little late and it was raining, so we couldn't really make a fire, but don't worry, because there's morning. So we're gonna start a fire and make some s'mores with this beautiful lighter. that Adelaide got from South America. Did you get this in Bolivia? Yeah. In Bolivia. Hey, do you think it's gonna stay?
Yes. That looks pretty good, Carolyn. That's a really good job.
You want to light the paper?
Yes.
Oh, no, you light it.
Okay, Chad, here we go. Bring her a little closer. What is that one?
I think we should have wood closer to the paper. Do we have any extra pieces?
Oh, how about we get a stick to poke that? Blow on it.
Okay.
Okay, burn.
And we gonna let it burn, burn, burn.
Okay.
Okay,
I think we might have to do
that
it
actually
again.
didn't work, interestingly enough. Also, we have to give ourselves some grace. It did rain last night.
Yeah. Well, we kept this wood dry.
Oh,
Because
well-
we're smart.
But the bottom of it's wet.
Yeah, this is wet. And we built this ring with that toilet paper.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's starting a forest fire.
Okay, there goes our napkins. Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's flying away. Okay.
okay, so somehow it is actually damp.
So actually, guys, I'm pretty good at making fires. Like,
So why don't you hop in?
do you want me to?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, take over this.
Oops, sorry, guys.
I can't do this.
Let me see.
Use some matches. Interesting, this isn't burning. Chad, why is it fireproof? This thing is fireproof. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe through. Okay, I actually have an idea. I'm gonna start over again.
Oh no, we're out of fuel. It's still kicking on this side. Blow some from that side.
I'm so good at blowing! Kindling.
Yes. Smoked marshmallows.
Nice.
No. Don't call my marshmallow a smoked marshmallow.
She just called you.
Because what does this look like? It's
Fire!
charred. Yeah, I got a little too much. Do you smell that? Yum! Okay, first marshmallow. It's not too gooey in the middle because I kind of just burnt it. Oh gosh. Yum.
You know that guy who does mukbangs and he's always like it's 2 a.m. when it's like clearly daytime outside? Well, let's say that it's 6 p.m. so people don't think we're eating s'mores for breakfast. So Caroline, look. It's not funny.
I might put mine on a rock and heat it up.
Here's my s'more, everyone. I mean, my marshmallow.
My marshmallow.
Ooh, Jadalee.
Pretty. Show them.
That
This
sounds really fun.
Is my marshmallow. Bruh, we just freaking touched marshmallows. Touched mellow? Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, this is my marshmallow. Uh-oh. I dropped mine on the ground.
Oh no, Adelaide.
Okay, the next marshmallow I roast, I'm going to put it in a s'more. Okay, listen to this ASMR.
Should I just eat it? Yeah, be my guest, honestly.
No, my
Yes. A little tree doesn't hurt.
It's gonna fall.
Okay, I think that should be good.
So low key.
Please don't let it fall. I'm laughing. Hold tight.
I stuck my stick in the ground. Whoa, be careful. Okay, it's your fault if it falls.
Thank you so much.
I rarely remember my drinks.
Really? I've had just not good sleep recently. And I keep waking up to myself talking.
Oh.
Or laughing.
That's freaky.
It's weird. Like, it's happening a lot.
We survived Thunderstorm in the night.
And acid rain.
Mm-hmm. And Mr. Beast challenge stay the night in a tent on top of a mountain in the middle of an acid rain thunderstorm. And you get a swirl when you wake up.
Yeah, and if we come across anything while we're exploring, we'll
I'll let you know.
Bye! We took down our camp and we're ready to go.
Check it out. Wow. Leave no trace, guys. Leave no trace. So,
We almost got kidnapped. We actually didn't, but it was a little scary.
on our adventure, I found a bunch of golf balls, and then I climbed a tree, and we went to go explore, and then we were going to walk down the road, and then a truck was coming, and Moira said, hide! So we hid behind the trees, and then the truck stopped
Right in front
in the
of us.
road,
And we were like,
and they got out. They turned the truck off, and they got out. And I was like, we were all like, we should probably move.
so we moved out and then we...
But they were just two old men looking for mushrooms.
So it's pretty
So we're good.
harmless. Now we're gonna go home and shower and then get ready for our work day.
Yay! We survived the night. And we should, at work, we should play Survive 99 Nights on Roblox.
Yeah. Yeah, we should.
Alright, bye vlog.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.